This brand is made in China and are sold online. All of their units use a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. They use self-evaporating technology to minimize the need to empty a condensate bucket, but they only have a basic washable filter which does not do much to improve the air quality in the room. The units have auto-swing louvers for improved air circulation throughout the room, but most of them use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R-32. The QPWA models are for cooling only, have 3 fan speeds, and are Wi-Fi enabled to work with their app. They have a 7.7 EER efficiency and a noise rating of 55 decibels. The QPCA models are basically the same as the QPWA models, except they do not have Wi-Fi capability. The QPFA units are for cooling only but use more earth-friendly R-32 refrigerant. They only have a 2-speed fan but are quieter with a noise rating equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator and are less efficient with a 6.1 EER efficiency. The QPSA units have a 7.6 ER efficiency and provide heating as well as cooling, but they use R-410A refrigerant. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.